Happy new month, guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made the fluffiest carrot cake ever in a different way. So I boiled my carrots for about 7 minutes in order for me to mash it, but I got bored mashing it. I just felt like I needed to be fast, so I just chopped it with my knife. Then I separated the chopped carrots to blend a part of it, while I just left the other one. So for the eggs, I separated the egg white from the egg yolk. Then I blended the egg yolk with the other part of chopped carrots, added butter and a little water. This is the outcome. So I now added the blended batter to the part of carrots I did not blend. Added my egg white, added my flour mixed with baking powder and nutmeg, and I just continue mixing for a very smooth consistency. Then I added a little bit of sugar. I was just scared that the cake will not come out sweet. People in my house, they love sweet things, so I just added a little sugar, but it's an option. You can decide not to add sugar since carrot has its own sweetness. So there's something I learned. When I baked on a high heat of 250 degrees for 20 minutes, my cupcake turned out to look like bread. But when I baked on a low heat of about 150 for 15 minutes, my cake came out like a cupcake. It was looking very fluffy, like this. It was looking very fluffy. So guys, I hope you learned something today. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Bye.